In this video, I'll be showing you how to create tables in HTML. When you are dealing with large amount of tabular data, tables are definitely the way to go about organizing and displaying your content. Using tables is a quick and easy way for your users to understand the data you are displaying. And as you know, tables contain rows and columns. So to create tables in HTML, you need to make use of some elements. So to start with, you need to make use of the table element. So I will just come here and type this element, table. And you can see if I click here, it brings the opening tag and the closing tag for me. So I'll come inside here. Mind you, I'm inside here. And then I need to put in the table row. So I'll put TR for table row, click on it. And then I'll come inside the table row and now put the table headings I want. So I can come here and I'll put TH for table heading. And to start with, I'll just put S / in fact, let me use capital letter, S / N, then O. So that's like the serial number. And in fact, let me just use S / N. Then I will come here, and remember to duplicate is Ctrl+Shift+D in Atom. So I just press it, Ctrl+Shift+D, and then I duplicate this. I'll come here and I will change this to full name, and then Ctrl+Shift+D, and then I will change this here to age, something like this. Age is fine. So this is how you get this table headings. Then the next thing, we need to get the table description. So I need to come down, or the table data, and I'll just come here and I'll put TR for table row once more. Then here I'll put TD. Then for the serial number, the first one is 1, Ctrl+Shift+D to duplicate, and then I'll put this as Jack Bauer. All right, and then I'll come here, Ctrl+Shift+D, and I just need to come here, and for the age I just need to put 56 years. All right, so I just put this like this, then I save it, Ctrl+S. All right, so I have saved my work, and let's now go to the browser and see how this table is going to look. So I come here and I refresh, and you can see what we have here. We have SN, we have 1, we have Jack Bauer, and we have 56 years here. So you can see how it's looking. It doesn't look too good, but we are going to be styling this up in CSS when we get to CSS, and I'll show you how we can style this table up, create borders for this table, create more spacing, padding inside, and just style this to look great. Okay, so let's go back to our code, and then let's create more data. So I just come down here, I put TR, and then I come inside TD, and I'll put number 2, and then Ctrl+Shift+D. I'll just duplicate it this time. Then I'll now come here and I'll put Jason Statham. Come here and I will put 35 years. All right, so I now save it. I'll come back to the browser and I will refresh it, and you can see we now have the next data here. So you can see this one is very bold because this is the table heading and this one is the table data. All right, so that's why you see that this is not too bold. Now you can see this is looking quite congested, but when we get to CSS, I'll be showing you how to style this up and add borders, those lines you normally see, and then also add padding and align this properly so it makes sense to your users. Okay, so this is how you create tables in HTML. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can add images in your HTML code. I'll see you guys in the next video.